Alright, so it's the last week of summer. Tomorrow we have to leave and move into our apartment back at Penn State. So it's just gonna be a shit show of a bunch of different things going on. But we're bringing to you one last deadlift session that we're gonna be filming. And so like I said, tonight I'm gonna have to pack up all my stuff, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna leave, head to State College. And because there's no comp gym at State College, we're renting a space, and we're gonna be building a competition gym with 2 combo racks and a deadlift platform just for the homies to train at. So I'm gonna film all of that for you guys, kind of just bring you guys the making of that little spot up there. But it'll be cool. It's gonna be our own little spot that we're renting, and it's just gonna be the boys training.
PS3, I'm not playing. Go jump on my little man. She wanna stay, you know what I'm saying? I'm booted up. My car's such a white. Cause they know I can get rich any day. I tell that hoe to slide and put all the feelings away. You feel like suicide, and it's the only way you can escape. You wanna see better days. I promise it's gonna be okay. I know these niggas gon' hate, so I got guns on me, I gotta stay. Certified, had a skeleton. What you mean? Yeah, 101. That was a wise investment. We always going down. Always in the top. Put it down the shot. Big on me, don't stop. Big on birds that sing like the eye. I had to find some cops. I tied them up like that. Take for the car, bro. Yeah, I got them doing my gun. Yeah, a bigger codeine for brothers. I get you right. I don't even call. I don't even text. I get you right. You know I'm a
So that concludes our last workout at Powerbook KOP till we come back for like the grand opening in like a month or 2 from now. But so we're gonna go home, get a pack, get ready, and then we'll probably see you guys like tomorrow morning as we're leaving to head back to school. All right, so we've arrived at a town in that's called Bellefonte. It's near State College. This is where we have to pick up the gym equipment that we're putting in the new gym, or in the new spot. So we're waiting for Tom and Liam. I think Tom's picking up Liam right now, and then they're pulling up with a pickup truck, and then we have to load up everything, and then we're gonna have to move it to the new spot, and then we're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna have to move into our apartment. So we're gonna wait till they get here, then we gotta start loading shit up. Hey man!
Man, how are ya?
Fucker open. Oh, there we go. Fuck. Yeah, the dogs go crazy. We're not gonna get attacked though, don't worry. No, he's at work right now. And then this is all the stuff that we have right here. So we got a couple boxes. I got to sort through that and see what's what. I think both of those are ours, or all of those. And then we got the kilos right here. I got an extra pair of reds in my car, and then we got the deadlift jack and my bar right there. So we're about to load all this shit up and then get the hell out of here and move in. Try to move in as fast as possible. You said it was swamped in State College?
Yeah, dude, it's crazy. It's really It took me like 10 minutes to get from where I used to live to my old dorm.
Just because traffic?
It took me 10 minutes to go 0.2 miles.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. Alright, so we loaded these fuckers up right here. The 6 pairs of reds, and then just everything else. You got the barbell, deadlift jack, and then 2 combo racks. So we're about to head over to this gym right now and set this bitch up. I don't think it'll take too long to set it up. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna make sure this doesn't fly through the back of my window.
Yeah, I was thinking that. I think it's fine personally. I don't think it's.
I wedged it in.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Even if you brake really hard, I don't think we're gonna be going fast enough. Like what? 30 miles an hour? Not even. Whatever. Why you so surprised? we finally moved into the gym. We had to move out a shit ton of equipment that I'll show you guys in a minute. But we're here setting up 2 Texas Strength System racks. We got our kilos over there. We're gonna have to get a weight tree eventually. We got a bar right here, and then we're getting another one. Got a warm-up bike, deadlift jack, and we're gonna have to figure out how to get a deadlift platform up here because there's one downstairs, but like the deadlift platform is zero exaggeration, like 800 pounds, and I just don't know how we're gonna be able to move it. But we're just absolutely wiped out because we haven't even moved into our apartment yet, which we have to do in an hour, and we just got done moving all of this equipment out of the other room, and a lot of it didn't fit through the door, so we had to like take the door off the hinges and then move all that shit out. And so now we put all that here, and now we're just trying to set up a platform, or trying to set up the combo racks and figure out how we're gonna get that deadlift platform up here. We might have to build one. We don't really know what we're gonna do yet, but yeah, we're gonna put together that shit and then gonna get moving to our apartment. All right, so we set up 1.5. The other one's almost set up. We still have to figure out how the fuck we're gonna get a deadlift platform here, but we're just gonna have to figure it out. So I'm vlogging to you guys from a day later. We went to our apartment at the here, and we've just been totally wiped the fuck out when it came to moving in. It just took like 4 hours. Man, the elevators weren't even working because people were having to use them. They were getting clogged every single floor, so we had to carry every single thing up 8 flights of stairs. So kind of a shit show, but we're finally moved in for the most part, at least. This is my room right here. It's still work in progress. You gotta set up the computers and whatnot. And then my bed's right here, and just a bunch of other things. I don't know where my gym bag is. That ran away. But this is Tom's room right here, and this is our front door, which is bolted open for some reason. Gym bag. Hallways right here. That's Joe's room, and then this is our roommate Brett's room, and then this is our kitchen, where you got the 110 on deck over here, protein powder right here, just a bunch of shit everywhere. We're gonna have to go grocery shopping. This is just a few small things that we ended up buying. And yep, this is our kitchen, and then this is our living room right here. So very modern style apartment. I'm like a sucker for modern style apartments. I just love them, and this is a big step up from our apartment last year if you guys watched my other videos. So glad to be in a new spot. Just looking forward to being fully moved in and not having to worry about anything else. So I think I woke up later. I think they're running out and getting breakfast for everyone right now, and then I think we're gonna go lift later. I didn't get the chance to even bench later, so I gotta hit a full SBD today, so that'll be fun. But yeah. Alright, so the gym is finally built. We got some rubber matting right here for deadlifts, 2 combo racks. So I wasn't able to bench yesterday because of all the shit that was going on. So I'm gonna have to hit an SBD day today, and I think that's like what most people are doing except Joe and Cameron. But there's like this weird thing going on with the lighting here, where like the LED bulbs emit some kind of like, I don't know, it creates like a green band that you guys can probably see on the film. But we're gonna have to get a bunch of strip lights and then line it around the gym, and we're gonna do that. So yeah. I'm beating it up. I'm beating it up. I'm beating it up. I'm in love with the drugs. I'm kissing the cup. I feel like a rookie. She had it her way, now she out of her business. Get out. All set, fuck how you take it, we straight from the bank. And I caught me some cases and beat it in races. Seen they was taking no communication, no invitation me. But the streets ain't new to me. When in the streets I get you and see. When you see me, better boo to me. Even my teacher boo to me. And that bitch was a tool to me. Walk in the street with a tool on me. Cause I ain't with the foolery. So she like, I bro, hop in the court, then I put it in sports. Step in the court, then I'm 10 steps back. I'm doing low, bro. I had a little bitch, $100.
Bitch, I'm fly. Ferragamo Falcon. King of the Joey, y'all niggas buck. Man, we really bouncing. OVO drinking 40 butts. Slamming up all their houses. I ain't never worried, but I know they worried about me. Can't stare. Can't stare. Can't stare. I ain't like the kickstand. I get money, big dance. We ain't playing big grands in the blood. What you say? What you say? What you say? Like tell the bitch I'm tryna link for my dog a homie. We got poppin', now they all our homies. I just had a threesome with 2 thick bitches. They just sucking dick cause I don't lick, bitch. He know I fucked his BM, now he sick with it. Shot at his shit, so when he spit, you know he twitch with it. Hellcats and Trackhawks. They got Timmy on the turn up and the blast off. He would've got caught for that body, took his mask off. She an ungrateful little bitch, I take her ass off. Give me them titties back, bitch. They call my phone and get them glitches back, bitch. Tell your favorite rap. Baby, yes, you're mine, baby, yes, you're fine. When I'm on the road, do I cross your mind? When I'm on the road, baby, yes, come right.
What is it?
I am.
Yeah.
On the outside.
Infinity and beyond. Niggas ain't really with that murder shit we be on. I just unload the fucking cane, get my freak on. Hardest niggas standing in the game, try my feet on. Niggas always watch your spot, get your compete on. Shout out Casanova, cause I got my diamond heat on. Your shit is for the birds, I see your beak on. To the morning, hope I don't wake up tomorrow. We was the type of niggas that would ride through. Cause I'ma make the chopper sing like the chopper sing like
Alright, that wraps up this week's worth training. I'm gonna just rest tomorrow and get ready for our first week of school. But yeah, today was an SBD day just because I didn't get the chance to train yesterday. But we're gonna have to figure out another situation for deadlifts. We're gonna have to put more matting or plywood down because it just makes way too much of an impact and vibration and sound now. So we're just gonna have to figure it out. But until the next one, if you guys enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you.